Welcome to our pomegranate juice factory. Today, I'll take you on a journey to see exactly how fresh, delicious pomegranate juice is made.
Easy on the left side there.
We need that pallet over here now. Okay, bring it forward slowly.
Watch the stack on the left.
This one is bruised right here.
Okay, set it aside. The rest look good.
Keep the line moving. We have 3 more trucks waiting.
Yes, making space now.
See this one here? Minor abrasion.
Yes, noted. Let's monitor the next crate.
The rest look good though.
This one is too soft. Yes, put it in the reject bin. The color on these others is excellent.
Another bruise here.
All right, keep an eye on the next batch coming through.
Accuracy is holding steady at 99.1%. No major anomalies reported.
Excellent. Let's maintain this standard through the next cycle.
Green one, bin 4.
Got it. Looks good now.
The brush speed seems a little low for this batch.
Okay, increasing it now. Water pressure is stable.
Good. Temperature is holding steady at 20 degrees.
The separation rate on line 3 is dropping.
I see it.
Adjusting the vibration frequency now.
Flow rate is optimized now.
Excellent. Maintain current levels for the batch.
Sample 4B secured.
Scanning now. Looks good. The Brix level on sample 7 is slightly elevated.
Let's run the chromatography again to confirm.
We need to increase the filtration speed here. Okay, the clarity reading is improving already.
Look at the stress fracture right here. Yeah.
Yeah, I see it. Let's swap this one out now.
The pressure is fluctuating slightly at this intake point.
It's within the acceptable range, though. Let's make a note of the timestamp.
Pasteurization ensures the safety and extends the shelf life of our pomegranate juice.
Pressure's fluctuating again on loop 3.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now. Okay, stable at 72.
Good catch. We are within optimal parameters.
Ensure all parameters are within the safety limits.
Looks good here. The pressure is stable.
We're showing amber on the humidity levels. Adjusting the flow rate now. There, back to green. Check the seal on this one. Looks a little loose.
No, that's within tolerance. The temperature is good too.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through our pomegranate juice production process. Every bottle you enjoy is the result of dedication, care, and teamwork.